Goldenrod, it's that time of year, which means time to get picking for a multitude of reasons, really. But today's video is all about making goldenrod vinegar and why you should be doing this. Be sure to stay tuned. There are so many beneficial properties of goldenrod that infuses into the vinegar. For example, did you know that goldenrod is great for urinary and kidney health? It's an anti-inflammatory. It has antioxidant properties. It's actually good for skin health as well. It's great for allergy and cold relief. And I can hear some of you saying, wait a minute, but this causes my seasonal allergies. No, it doesn't cause seasonal allergies. That would be wind-pollinated plants. Plants that are pollinated by insects do not cause seasonal allergies. And now that's according to a lot of studies I've read. It's an antifungal as well. There's just a plethora of goodness. And add that to the vinegar, and you've got one heck of a strong, beneficial vinegar. Organic apple cider vinegar without the goldenrod is amazing for us because it can help with sinus issues, skin problems, gut health. It alkalizes our bodies. If you have leg cramps, it can help with that because of the potassium levels. It's great for heart health, liver cleanses, lymphatic cleanses. It helps to lower blood sugar levels. It can even help with a sore throat. You can gargle with it. There's so many more benefits of the vinegar, and combine it with goldenrod. You really do have a powerful tonic. I've already mentioned this, but this is a really great example why goldenrod gets falsely accused. You're walking along and you start sneezing, and this is what you see, and you blame the goldenrod. But what you don't see is the ragweed. This is your culprit. So now I'm going to spend a little bit of time gathering some goldenrod so I can make my vinegar. I want to shake off all those little bugs that you see there, but I'm going to let the wasps do their job first. Anyways, I'm going to make sure that I pick really good samples of goldenrod, flowers that are in their prime, and I want to make sure I get leaves that are really good. In addition, although I did this earlier in the year, this is what the goldenrod root looks like. It's fibrous, but it also has a rhizome. And it spreads by rhizomes, hence the reason why when you find a goldenrod, you find a lot. So to use the root in vinegar, you have to make sure you clean that really well, dry it, and then add it to the vinegar. So when you get home, you want to go through your goldenrod and remove the leaves from the stems. And you want to be very particular because you want to make sure that you get the best leaves. You don't want any that have bugs' eggs on them, or leaves that have been eaten by the bugs, or if there's fungus on it or mold. You want to make sure you have some really good looking leaves. And you want the same for the flowers. You want to make sure that you have really good looking flowers to put into your vinegar. Once you're done, I'll show you what's next. I have some goldenrod leaves, and there are a few flowers in there that have begun infusing. Way back in May, I actually gathered the roots and a couple of leaves and started infusing. And as you can see, I always date everything. And it doesn't matter that these have been infusing for that many months. Overall, 4 to 6 weeks is a good guideline to infuse your leaves and flowers and roots. And what are you going to do with it when it's completed? Well, you can use it to make salad dressings. You can use it as a tonic, which means basically take a little bit of, a couple of tablespoons, put it into a cup of water and get it down you that way. It is incredibly healthy vinegar. And there you go. Short, sweet, and to the point. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to share this in your social media. If you have other ways that you'd like to share on how you use goldenrod, please put it in the comments below. If you're brand new to my channel, if you can do me the kindness and consider subscribing, I'd greatly appreciate it. And be sure to give this a thumbs up. Thank you.